Today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have square root of x multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x plus square root of x is equals to 10, and here we solve this problem for the values of x. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Here we know that if any number is multiplied by 3 times, we write it as its cubed form. So here you see that we have x square root of x is multiplied by 3 times, so that we write square root of x as its whole cubed, and plus here we have this is square root of x, and this whole equation equals to 10. And now here first we need to convert this radical equation into the simple cubic form. So for this here we need to take y is equals to square root of x. Here we put this square root of x is equals to y, and when we put this value to the above equation, so it will be written as y cubed plus y is equals to 10. Now you see here this equation will becomes cubic in y variable, and here we can easily solve this cubic equation for the values of y. So here first we need to rewrite this 10 as in this form. Here you have this is y cubed plus y, we write this 10 as 9 plus 1, and here after that we write this 9 into the cubic form, and here we know that sorry here because we cannot convert these two numbers into the cubic form, so that we write this 10 as 8 plus 2. Okay, so now we write this 8 as 2 cubed and plus this is our 2, and now here in the next step we move these two values in the left hand side, and here we have this is y cubed plus y, this is 2 cubed becomes minus 2 cubed, and this is plus 2 becomes minus 2, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to make the pair of cubic term with cubic term and the simple term with simple term. So we have this is y cubed minus 2 cubed, and plus here we take common 1 from these two values, and we get here y minus 2, and this is whole equation equals to 0. So further in the next step we need to apply here the cubic formula on the first term. So here we use this nice cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula we write our first term as in this form. Here you have a minus b, the value of a is y minus the value of b is 2 into this is a square, and here our a is y square, plus ab, again our a is y and b is 2 plus b square, so b is 2 square, and plus here you have this is y minus 2, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here you focus on both of these terms, and you see that we have y minus 2 be the common term, so that we will take common y minus 2 and we get the remaining values are. So from here we have this is y square, and this is 2 times of y, and 2 square becomes 4, and when we take common this y minus 2, here we get plus 1, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as y minus 2 times of y square plus this is 2y, and 4 plus 1 becomes 5, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to convert this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write y minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write y square plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. So here from this case we easily get the value of y equals to 2. So this is the first root of the equation involving y. And now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we can apply the quadratic formula here. Now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 5. And we state the quadratic formula as y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So now we put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as, here you have first the value of b, it is equals to 2. When we put it here, it will becomes minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 2, so we will write it as 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 5, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is also equals to 1. And now here in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as y is equals to, this is minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square, and this 2 square equals to 4 minus this is 4 times of 5, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as y is equals to minus 2 plus minus, here we need to take common 4 from both of these values, and it will be written as 1 minus 5, and it is divided by 2. So here you see that 1 minus 5 is equals to minus 4, so we write it as minus 2 plus minus, this will be written as square root of minus 4 square, and it is divided by 2. And here we need to separate the square root on both of these values, and here you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we can just apply this square root separately on this negative term, and it will becomes here minus 2 plus minus, this is the square root of 4 becomes 2, and square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. And now we need to break this fraction, and when you break this fraction, it will be written as minus 2 over 2 plus minus 2 iota over 2. This 2 is cancelled out by this 2, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get here our y is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota. So this is the second value of y, and we have two values of y. So the first value of y is equals to 2, and these other values of y is equals to minus 1 plus minus iota. So here we need to back substitute the value of y, and in the start of the problem we will take here our y is equals to square root of x. So in this case, square root of x is equals to 2, and now we need to take the scaling on both of the sides. Then you get here the value of x is equals to 4. So this is the first root of the given equation, and now here similarly we can put the value of y here. It will become square root of x is equals to minus 1 plus minus iota, and when we take scaling on both of the sides, it will become x is equals to minus 1 plus minus iota and its whole square. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and these are the three final roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.